back to our series. I'm Fatim from Alvari Technologies. So today I will show you how to screenshot in your Javiya Smartboard. It's very simple and easy. First, what you need to do is go to the sidebar here and it will appear this icon. So choose setting icon and it will appear your control panel. In your control panel, it has shortcut tools. In the shortcut tools, you can search the screenshot here. Here we go, your screenshot. By using this grid, you can adjust and resize the image that you want or text that you want. So, I want this image with this size and just click here. It will automatically save in your local. If you want to save it in your hard drive or pen drive, just plug in this port. So now I will rename this image 3. So click OK. It will automatically save in your local. It also can add your screenshot image into your whiteboard application. So how to do it? It's very simple and easy. Here we go. It seems like before. Click on setting for the control panel. Click on screenshot. And here we go. Resize it. And what you need to do is click the icon for the whiteboard here. And will appear in your whiteboard. So now I want to resize it. So you can draw on it, you can write on it, and so on. That's all for the screenshot. If you have any question and you want to know more about our Javiya Smartboard, you can comment down below or contact us. Bye!